I'm Ethan Kwan, and welcome to the last part in this series. I know, I thought it would, and yeah, so, platformer, part 2. So, last time we left off with this problem of, sure, we can collide with, walls, right? And we have ceiling detection, but we have this problem that we can't go up slopes anymore. How do we fix that? Okay, so we want kind of like a tolerance. So like, if the wall is too steep, right? We don't want to go up it. But if it's not that steep, we can totally go up it if you want. So, so what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to first of all stop playing this, and we're gonna need this bit of code right here. This is wall detection, right? So what we can do is we're gonna have to create a new variable. Let's call it slope. First of all, let me hide the x velocity. Slope, right? So, for the sprite only, yeah. Okay, so, what we're gonna have to do, first of all, is to set the slope to 0. I'm gonna shrink this. Set slope to 0, okay? So, after we set the slope to 0, this will show you how much you can go up it. So, I'm gonna repeat until slope is less than -8, or not touching color this. So or not touching color, right? So repeat until this is true. So if slope is not equal to less than 8 or not touching level, this will show you how steep this thing is, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change y inside this repeat, change y by 1, change slope by -1. Okay, so now we have this bit. This will show you how steep the thing is. So, so if I'm touching the level, right? If I'm still touching the level, after that, right? If touching color this, right? Then we're gonna, oh no, so sorry, no, we don't need that. We're actually gonna just take this bit here. We're just gonna connect that under there. And we're also gonna need a change y by, after all that, right? After all that, change, if it's still not touching color, if either of these is true, it'll do this, right? So it'll change y by slope, right? And that should work. Let's see. Yep, there we go. So now we can go up slopes, but we can't. But we still have ceiling detection, so we still have ceiling detection and wall detection, but we can't go up the slope. We can go up the slope. Sorry, and there should be a tolerance for how much. Try again. Okay. Anyway, go to ground. There should be a tolerance for how much slope it can handle. So, for example, if I create like curve, right? If I wait for this, right? Actually, I'm gonna pause this recording for a second and unlag my computer. All right, so I'm back, and now it's not lagging anymore. Well, it is, but like not as much. Great. So what I want to do is I want to just create a tolerance here. So I'm just gonna wait for this to load. I'm gonna pause this until it loads, okay? Okay, it finally loaded, so I'm just gonna create like a little slope here. Oh boy, this is a steep slope. Make this like this, and this. I can make it like that. Okay, so now we should be able to go up, pretty good slopes, but up to a certain limit, and it looks like it's about 45 degrees. So, ooh. Okay, that's just because of velocity, but, anyway. Okay. Yeah, so So now we have a tolerance for a slope. Nice. So we can get rid of that. And now we have a basic platformer working. Okay. How do we create levels? I'm gonna delete the YouTube sprite for now, so it looks better. Okay, so we need levels, right? So we can call this the first level, sure. So I'm just gonna be showing you how to make levels in this game. So get rid of that, get rid of that. Okay, so level 1. I'm gonna duplicate this. Get rid of that. And let's say we want the player to start right here at the start of the level. So what we can do is we can make it go to this position, right? Whenever the game starts, and we can make the costume, when green flag clicked, switch costume to the first costume, level 1, right? Switch costume to level 1, and I'm actually gonna say inside the platform block right here, at the bottom, I'm gonna say if X position is greater than 239, X position, no, that's less than, sorry, I'm gonna get the greater than operator, okay, and X position is greater than, and obviously this block here just tells you the X position is greater than 235, then set X to what? Negative 179. Negative 179. And then broadcast. We're going to broadcast a message next level. So broadcast message next level. All right. Click OK. And once we receive next level, if we receive next level, then next costume. Next costume. There. So now we have a basic platformer going. So we have this, and when we reach the next part, we reach level 2. And once we go past here, we reach level 1 again, and so on. It looks like that. Okay. Okay. One thing I want to add is I want to make it so that it goes to this position exactly. So what's the position? Y41, negative 41. So set Y to negative 41. And there we go. Whenever we start the game, we will actually pop up in the air like that. Yeah, so I think that looks a lot better. And there we go. Okay, so that will be the end of the tutorial series. Great job if you made it this far. Thank you for watching this series on how to get started with Scratch, starting off with Scratch, making some very simple projects, and getting to this platformer. To add more levels, of course, you have to make more ground levels. And, of course, I will be making a project out of this here. So, okay, this is annoying, but just ignore it, please. I'm going to pause it again. Okay, so it's working now, so I'm just going to drag the Sprite YouTube in, and there we go. So, I'm going to share this project now, and yeah, so thank you for watching. Thank you for following along, and if you want more of these types of tutorials, don't forget to leave that in the comments below. Just comment, like, I don't know, like, want more Scratch videos or something like that, or want more teaching videos or something like that. Just write something. The more funny, the better. Yeah. So, thank you for watching again. I hope to see you soon, and see you at howtodosoftethan.com, and see you next time.